This is the second 9.6 video. I've listed the answers for both page 1 and page 2 of the 9.6 handout. Please use the pause button as necessary to check your answers. In this video, I will cover the answers to the first page, and then in the third video, I'll cover the answers to the second page. All right, let's review the work that you would need to do to get the answers to the first page. First two problems, we have chords intersecting. And notice the angles that we are working with are inside the circle versus in the lower examples where you have angles outside the circle. The upper two problems, we are going to use the formula a plus b over 2 equals x. The average of the intercepted arcs when chords intersect in a circle will give you that angle made by the chords intersecting. So this one's fairly straightforward. 30 degrees and 40 degrees can be put in either order into the formula. 70 divided by 2 is 35 degrees. The next problem, similar situation, but we know the interior angle. We don't know the measurement of this outer arc. So x plus 160 over 2 gave us 110. To solve for this, you'll multiply by 2 on both sides. Subtract 160 to get x equals 60 degrees. This is not drawn to scale. Next example, we have to switch to a different formula. Notice this angle is outside the circle. This is not two chords, this is two secants. So we need to use this formula with the minus sign. And it is important with this formula that the larger arc be plugged in as a larger arc measurement. The larger arc measurement is 110, the smaller is 60. 110 minus 60 is 50, and if you have that, you get 25 degrees. The next problem, two tangents. Same formula as two secants. Subtract the larger arc, or the smaller arc from the larger arc and divide by 2. Well, I don't see two arc measurements. I only see 280. But keep in mind, how many degrees are in a circle? 360. So if this yellow arc is 280, okay, then the smaller arc should be 360 minus 280, which of course is 80 degrees. So this is 80. And now we have everything we need to plug into the formula. X is going to be 280 minus 80 over 2, or 200 divided by 2, which of course is 100 degrees. Bottom left, this time we have a tangent and a secant. This one's a little bit more complex. Let's see. Our formula is a minus b over 2, but of course the x in the formula is not the x in this diagram, so it's a little bit confusing. So let's cross out x, and we know that the angle formed by the secant and the tangent is 40 degrees. The larger arc is a. The smaller arc is 86 degrees. Divide by 2. So we get 80 equals a minus 86 degrees, or a equals 80 plus 86, which is 166. So let's highlight what we mean here with the 166 degrees. Okay. Now, it looks like what x is in this diagram is from here to here. All right. Well, 86 degrees and 166 degrees are not included in the yellow. A full circle is 360. I want to take away the 86 degrees and the 166 degrees. What that will end up leaving me with is 108 degrees. Finally, last problem, two tangents again. I've already done that. Okay, our formula for two tangents is a minus b over 2. Should give us the angle formed by the two tangents, which is 60 degrees. A is going to be the larger arc. So the larger arc is from here to here. B is the smaller arc from here to here. Okay, let's see. We know the answer is 60 degrees. We know that there's 360 degrees in a triangle. Okay. So we know that the purple measurement, the purple arc, is 360 minus x. Purple's 360 minus x, the yellow is x. Subtract those two, divide by 2, you'll get 60. So for purple, I'll plug in 360 minus x. For yellow, I'll plug in x. I'll divide by 2, equal that to 60 degrees. That gives me 360 minus 2x equals 120. We'll bring the 2x over so it's positive. Subtract the 120, we get 240. Divide by 2, x equals 120 degrees. That's the end of this video.